I found a love for me. Well, darling, just dive right in and follow my lead. Well, I found a girl, beautiful and sweet. Well, I never knew you were the someone waiting for me. 'Cause we were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time. But darling, just kiss me slow. Your heart is all I own, and in your eyes you're holding mine. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass. We're listening to our favorite song. When you said you looked a mess, I whispered underneath my breath, but you heard it. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Well, I found a woman stronger than anyone I know. She shares my dreams. I hope that someday I'll share her home. I found a love to carry more than just my secrets, to carry love, to carry children of our own. We are still kids, but we're so in love, fighting against all odds. I know we'll be alright this time. Well, darling, just hold my hand, be my girl, I'll be your man. I see my future in your eyes. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, listening to our favorite song. When I saw you in that dress, looking so beautiful, I don't deserve this. Darling, you look perfect tonight. Baby, I'm dancing in the dark with you between my arms, barefoot on the grass, or listening to our favorite song. I have faith in what I see. Now I know I have met an angel in person, and she looks perfect. I don't deserve this. You look perfect tonight.
Before we start, mag-pray muna. Okay, in the name of the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Dear God, I thank you for my daughter's life and the joy she brings to our family. On her birthday, I pray that you bless her with your love and grace. May she continue to grow in wisdom and understanding. And may she always know that she is loved and valued by us. May she find joy and fulfillment in all that she does. And may she always seek her guidance and direction in her life. This is the name. Sing tayo.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday, hooray! Happy birthday. It's your birthday, hooray! Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Wala. Globe. Globe, padala na. Tandaan nyo lang pagdating sa mga mamaya na. Lang dito dalawa. Wala na.
Ha? Bakit? Tirahin mo na ito pala. Aling gagawin mo? Tapos ka. Dahil mo kay Kami. Dahil mo sa akin yan. May tropa ko, kinatay. Bakit? Yung sa malalahat.
Jumping around, wait for
Ang lawal pang umaga. Iyak ang sila. Ito, nag-straight kayo. Ulo. Request mo eh. Ulo ko. Ay. Happy birthday! Nakita ka. Kailangan pa natin. Ay, ito? Ah, okay.
Axel, kain ka na, Axel. Axel. Kain ka na. Axel, nasa yung mami mo. Kain na.
Sa akin, kasi tayo pagtutulog na ako. Tapos alam eh. Angkat mo ba? Alam mo mo. Sa unahan. Si Luis. Tapos ako
Kaya
kayo.
namin pahatid mo natin ang baby. Nandito kami sa nakang. Hindi ko alam cake, ma'am. Ay, ano to? Balik na lang dito.
Birthday! Okay, tatag tayo. Yan, tatag yung kapatid ni Clara. Rambal pa na, rambal.
Ilagay na lang doon, ma'am. Ito pa yan, spray. Hindi ka na tutulog, Axel.
Hello guys.
Ma, water daw kayo.
Sabi.
Yung friend mo, Axel.
Kuya ko ba?
Ay, tayo!
Ano bumalik pa ako?
Kain tayo! Ang ulam ko ay manok. Ulam natin, manok, Simon! Kain tayo! Hindi na. Matay plato! Ulam plato! Lunami mo, Dre. Dre.
Anak, sir.
Kumain na daw sila. Ha? Kumain na daw sila. Sabihin mo, sabihin mo. Dre. Mama. Eh, punta kami na doon sa bahay.
Kain na ako to. Bay, kain dito, bay. Ma'am, kain na, ma'am. Kaya tayo. Kuya. Kumain tayo dito, lah. Ha? Okay. Kumain dito. Ay, bay.
Doon sa ano yan? Kabilang side. Ay, Nina. Ay, happy birthday, Shay! Uy, bilog! Hindi ka lang po, pagi! Uy, ano pa? Sige, punta tayo sa lahat. Sige, punta tayo sa lahat.
Kain na kayo? Sige nga, okay. Ano ulam mo? Ulam.
Manok lang.
Yes. Kain pa din? Ano pa? Pansit, ayaw mo? Oo. Sige, baga ka. Bayaran mo. Bayaran na rin natin to. Ano? Sabi, kaya magawa eh. Ano sa'yo? Ulam? Chicken? Chicken. Na, doon na sa labas, oh. Ayan. Ano ba? Ulam mo? Ulam? Diretso dito ba na, diba? Ayan niya, ulit niya. Ay, wala na.
Hi kids! Let's learn the superhero alphabet! A. Aquaman! A. B. Batman! B. D. C. Captain America! C. D. Duck, duck, duck. Daredevil. D. E. Elastigirl. A. F. Flash. F. G.
Ay, mahal na po tayo.
Green Arrow. G.
Nag-English mo ka dito ko sagot English. Anong sinabi mo? Ate, anong sabi mo?
Okay, bakit? Hindi na malago yung dapat ng bigo ka rin.
J.
Anong sabi mo? Soft drink? Soft drink?
Kitty Pride. K. Loki.
Tingin sa mong cover ng tubig.
M.
Dapat yun ako.
Magneto. M. N.
Ito, pinipakin din ang...
Ninja Turtles. N.